All right, so I want to give y'all an update on this DTF film that I've been using. I'm using it for a while now, and I'm telling you, I really don't like this thing. Especially how much it costs, I really don't like it. It's okay, you can use it if you want to, but me personally, I would not be buying this. I would not be spending my money on this. And let me show you which one it is, just so y'all know. So the DTF sheet in question is that one. Alright, that's the brand. Let me flip it over so you can see it. Alright, that's the brand right there. Alright, now this sheet is like $70, $80 online or something like that, and it was on sale. Now if it was on sale, it's like $100. I forget what number it is, but I keep getting these artifacts. I'm gonna show it to you if I can find one. Let me find one. This one has a really nice one. See these things right here? Right there. So my fingers. See these things? I keep getting them on all my prints. See those little spikes? There's absolutely nothing in the design here. There's nothing there. Let me flip it over. Show you there's absolutely nothing there. Remember, on the front you see it, right? See? There's nothing on the back. So look on the front. See it? On the back? Nothing there, right? There it is right there. Now, what happened is, y'all might say, oh, that's nothing to complain about. Look, see that? That's DTF powder sticking to the sheet for no apparent reason. There's nothing there, but there's the powder that sticks to the sheet. No apparent reason. It just randomly sticks to the sheet in random spots for no apparent reason. There's nothing there. See it? It just sticks to the sheet. No matter what I do, I cannot get it to not do that. All right. Here's another one. Just random places. Just those random things, all over the sheet. There's an artifact right there. See it? All the way up. So you think there's something wrong with your print or something wrong with your printer when there's absolutely nothing wrong. It's just the sheet doing these weird things. There it is. Now powder was actually sticking to this line. As you can see, I had to scrape it off. Powder was literally sticking to this line all the way up. See, there it is again. There it is again. And I have to like scrape it off. And there's it is. Powder sticking to the prints again. To my sheet. Right up there. See it? So the powder sticking. No reason. It just sticks. So, I don't like the sheet. When you press it and peel, it's not like a press and it's like it's pretty much a cool peel, even though it says warm. I don't know. It's just not a sheet I'd buy for $100. My personal opinion, my personal choice. I'm just giving you the information. You do what you want with it. Still, my Welcher sheets are still king in my eyes. You buy what you want to buy. And as you know, I'm still going to be testing different DTF sheets. Can't help myself. Love experimenting. So I'll find a different DTF sheet to try out soon. Whenever this roll gets done, I'm not even halfway through it yet. Tell me about it. But when I get done with this sheet, this roll, I might just stop using the roll completely and just buy a different one because I really can't stand it. And just try something totally different because this roll is just driving me up the wall bunkers. All right. So as soon as I switch over, I'll give you another information on the new sheet that I choose to try out. All right. So until next time, peace.